Yeah.
Hey y'all, this is Lover by Nature and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a little minute since I posted a video, concerning my hair, but I just wanted to come on and update you guys on my hair. A lot of stuff has happened in between that time, so that's the reason why it has taken me a little longer to post my video. Me and Italy did go to California with my now fiance. I'm engaged, you guys. But me and Italy went to California with my fiance to celebrate our birthday, and in the midst of that I did end up getting engaged. So all that was going on, and then we came back home, and then I still waited to record my video because my fiance ended up surprising me with the camera for my birthday, and then he also surprised me with one of those little light thingies. I can't remember what it's called, but you know, the little circle lights so that I can do my YouTube videos. So I got all that set up now, so I was able to record the video. And disclaimer, I done tried to record this video like 4 times today. Normally I would try to wait until Italy went to sleep, but today I tried to record while Italy was woke, and she was making a lot of noise. She wanted to be in the camera, and I was going to put it up here as my bloopers, but when I was trying to add that video on, save it onto my computer, Italy ended up hitting my hand and I accidentally deleted the video, so I can't even add those in there as a blooper. But I will make sure that I post another video with Italy in there so you guys can see her. But yeah, so let's get straight into this lock update. So not much has changed since month 6, except for me dyeing my hair. As you can see, I do have it a blonde color. This was per my fiance's request. He originally, okay, so I dyed it twice. The first time I dyed it a golden blonde color because I was very skeptical about doing the whole light bright blonde that he was wanting at first. But after I dyed it that golden blonde color, I seen the response that he gave me, which he really loved it. He still wanted it brighter, and then everybody else was saying that they really liked it too. So I waited almost 4 weeks. I was pretty much like 3.5 weeks, and I redyed it again to that brighter blonde that he wanted. So this is the color that I have now. The only other thing that has changed with my hair is that I did try to, well, I didn't try, but I did do a quick weave in my hair, but I didn't even keep the quick weave in long. One, because I don't know, for some reason I can't stand having that much weave in my hair now since I started locking my hair. So I ended up taking it out, and I thought that I had put, because I had glued it on top of a cap. I thought I had put the cap on there good enough. Obviously I didn't, and I ended up getting glue on some of my locks in the front, and when I say there was a lot of glue in there, there was a lot of glue in there. But for being a loose natural, I remember that I could either use conditioner to get it out, or comb it out. But you know, since with my locks, I didn't want to comb anything out, so I conditioned it twice, maybe 3 times, and the glue still didn't come out. And then I also ended up doing a detox on my hair, and that didn't even take it out either. So I literally had to end up combing down maybe like a handful of my locks in the front, which I know for a fact that I will not be combing out my locks no time soon. I will be having these locks in for a while, because just with me just trying to comb out the handful of locks that I had to comb out, it took me forever. So I know for a fact that my hair is locking good, even though I feel like it's not. My hair is locking good, so I ended up having to comb those locks out, and I ended up putting them back in like I did when I started them off with the 2-strand twist, except for this time I did use the crochet hook in order to crochet it all together, so that you can't even tell that I basically had to start those over. They do look like my locks that the rest of my hair, but I can tell the difference in between them because of the way that they feel. But I mean, I'm okay with that. There hasn't really been anything else new with my hair besides that. My fiance keeps telling me that my hair is growing longer, but I can't really tell. I guess I feel like it's at a standstill because it is like the ends of it are starting to lock too, so I feel like it's shrinking instead of coming back down. But that's the whole process of locking your hair, so I know I have to be patient. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it as far as the new updates with my hair. I am trying to decide whether or not I want to get lock extensions. My fiance, he thinks that I would be cheating the process if I get it. He tells me to keep waiting until I actually get to that point to where my hair is actually going to fall and drop and all that blah blah blah. But I mean, I want to do different types of styles and stuff with my hair, so I'm thinking about getting lock extensions. But as you can see, I can still do styles without getting actual lock extensions. But I am trying to decide how I want to do my hair for our wedding, because we are planning on doing the wedding in December of this year. I know it's such a short time span, but my fiance seems to think that we can do it, and he wants to do it around the time of our anniversary. So I completely understand. But I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to do lock extensions for my wedding, or if I want to do a sew-in or some type of weave in my hair, because I know my hair probably not going to be at the length that I would want it to be for doing my wedding. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how my hair looks pinned up like this. It, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and hop off of here because I keep looking down because my fiance is calling me. So I'm going to go ahead and hop off of here, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace, love, and